Hello and welcome to another exciting video of Silkypix Developer Studio Pro. In last video, I've showed you one of the composite modes of Silkypix Developer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of moving objects or any kind of animals or people by using one of the composite modes of Silkypix Developer Studio Pro. Imagine you are in a museum or on a road or some kind of places where a lot of people are moving all over the place, and you don't have time to pick one person at a time from the place in Photoshop and to get rid of those people. What you can do, you can actually take a bunch of photographs, as many as you can, and you have to make sure that it's on a tripod. I cannot stress this enough. You have to take your photographs on a tripod or as steady as possible. But as a human, it is impossible to be steady if you try to take your photo on a handheld, unless obviously if you have Olympus, which is the champion of steady e-bikes. Oh well, that's another story. But if you don't have access to those kind of camera, just a simple normal camera, you have to use tripod. And you can do these effects, this work by using a smartphone or any kind of camera phone. Important accessory is a tripod. Now I have a bunch of photographs. First four, let's imagine we have these annoying animals that are walking around, and I want to get rid of them to make sure that my couch is empty, because these animals are taking over my couch. Right. So I'm going to select all those four photographs, go to the composite modes, and moving object removal. Let's click on that one. Voila! Look at that. They're gone. Doesn't exist. Okay. I'm excited already. But let's see the end result of it. So we're going to click composite. So there you go. That's our end result. So we're going to compare that with our other photographs, or with this one. So that's the first photo. I'm going to zoom in, make the photo size small. So that's one of those photos. And we're going to compare that with this photo. So that's our result. That's what we did right now. We got rid of the objects. Is it perfect? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. For instance, if I zoom in 100%, you do have some kind of crazy things going on there, and you also have something going on there. So obviously this is not perfect. So it depends on photo per photo. Does it do the job? It does. Does it do a very good job? Absolutely no. But it is possible, doable, and you can absolutely use it with no problem. But there are moments actually this thing doesn't work. I'll show you with another example. I tried to create another example by adding my sunglass caps and those two animals on the couch. And what I tried to do, I tried to move them into different location, as you can tell. So I tried to take 3 photos, and let's say I wanted to get rid of those photographs, those objects from there. What if I try to do the same thing now? So I select, I go to the composite mode, and then moving object removal. Look at this. I don't even need to click composite. You can clearly tell that they didn't do the good job. But what is the problem then? If you look closely, all the blacks didn't go, and part of the yellow, but mostly the blacks one. And then I tried to do weak. I didn't do the good job either. In fact, it brought back some of this stuff. So, well, unfortunately, it does not do a perfect job. I tried everything, it didn't. Well, sometimes it worked. I did try with many other examples. This is the best one I got. So my the takeout from this tutorial, that composite modes, that one specifically works most of the time. Let's say 80%, but there are going to be some trial and error. There are going to be some mistakes, some problems. So it's not really perfect, 100%. Hey, but it's never nothing wrong to try. That's what I say. Go for it. And now we're done with that. Now how do I get add people? So remember in one of the composite mode where you can add objects, meaning that you have these 4 photographs, you want to add them all together in one place. Create a motion. So select those, click the stroboscopic motion, strength, medium. Look at that. This is cool. The usefulness of this photograph, well, it doesn't do something crazy. It's just a cool photo. I like this kind of photo. It does work for any kind of creating motion. Like I try to take photograph of myself standing in different location and try to create one of those. You can do exactly the same. Pretty cool. I love it. I'm going to post it on my Instagram account. I say you try the same. Try different photographs. Again, make sure tripod. You have to use your tripod on a tripod. That's it. Because otherwise, software can do much of it. You have to make sure that you've taken your photograph good in camera first. Then let the software do the job for you. With that, I'm going to end this tutorial here. I hope you all the best, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.